Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about what kind of services are available in Germany for new moms, and every new mother should know about it. One thing I like very much in Germany that you get the changing tables very easily everywhere. For example, this one is in DM, and there are some trial diapers too that you can use and try for your baby. And if you are searching for changing table, and if you are with a small kid, then you can use this Hip Baby app, and in which you can search for the Wickeltisch und Wickelplätze. Also, breastfeeding is a very important part in new mom's life, and it is called Stillen in German. So take a look at this picture. Here is something called Stillecke. So Ecke means corner. It's a place where you can breastfeed your kid. So you can sit on this chair and feed your baby, and you need not to cover yourself. Similarly, in many shopping malls, you can find a place which is called Still Raum. Raum means the room or Zimmer, and there you can change your baby and feed them without having any worry of privacy and so. Now, when we are talking about this, I want to tell you a trick of dressing yourself so that you can dress yourself fashionably, and also you can do breastfeeding very easily in such dresses. So, it is called spaghetti top method. Basically, you see in this hanger, I used one spaghetti top and another top that I wanted to wear, and now you can see that it is very easy to access and feed your kid. So you will be covered, your waist will not get cold. So that's the trick, my friend. Now in Germany, everything is accessible with Kinderwagen or baby card, so you should use that. Then comes this thing which is called baby nest, and it is available in many toilets. And if your kid cannot stay in its place, then you can just open this up and let your kid sit there, and your kid will be busy and safe there. Many shopping malls, they have attached such kind of toys in which your kid can play, and you can just let them play and have fun around. Also, there are many Holzpferdchen, or the horses of holes or wood. And so, for example, in Hindi, you can tell that lakdi ki kati. So there, your kid can sit and enjoy and play. So it is available mostly in DM, and I have seen that in some banks too. Now comes another trick that you can use whenever you do a journey with the IC. Then you can reserve a place which is called Kleinkinderbereich, and here is a small tour of Kleinkinderbereich. You can take a look at this. So this place is called Kleinkinderbereich. Here you can put your luggage.
Papa.
Papa kommt ja. Papa kommt gleich. Then here are these gates that you can close and get your own private room. Here is a display where you can see that which station is coming next. Here is some place for keeping your Kinderwagen or buggy, and then this is a funny way to measure the height of your kid, and there is some toys and puzzles that your kid can play. And you can go to Board Restaurant, and there you can have an envelope which has colored pencils and this magazine. There are two different kind of magazine. One is for 3 to 6 years old kids, and other is for 7 to 12 years old kids. And then you get a toy, and they have many different type of toys there. So they have normal EC, train, kleine EC, and Ida EC. This one is Ida EC. It's intercity. And then you can get Niki Naksog and Guniguta Zug and such kind of trains. See, according to this chart, you can measure intelligence by height, and I am Hook Intelligent. Even better services are available in Swiss Train. So this is a video from Swiss Train, from SBB or SBB trains, and you see they have the whole park inside the train where your kids can play, and you can relax at the same time. Also, you get such kind of frames everywhere in Germany where you can take pictures, and your kid can play. In the summers, these kind of fountains are very common where your kid can go and play, and you can also enjoy some time in water, and it's better than any other aquatic park. And also there is something called Wasserspielplatz if you want to visit. So in that place your kid can play in sand and in water, and they have small hand pumps, and it's a very enjoyable place to visit. In Germany, it's very common to use bikes, and your kid has a separate seat which is called Kindersitz that you can use, and your child can sit on that. Then there is something called Fahrradanhänger, which is kind of rickshaw that you can put behind your seat, behind your bike, and your kid can even sleep in that very. So my friends, now we came to the end of the video, and there is a last tip. Whenever you go somewhere to dine, you can ask for something called Kindersitz, in which your kid can sit and eat. And sometimes these people are so friendly that they can provide you some small toys or lollipops, chupa chup lollipop, which is typical in Germany. And also sometimes they provide you with plain paper and colored pencils as a gift that you can use, and your kid can play with that, and you can eat in peace. So that's all for today, and we will meet again with a new topic and a new video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from me. Also, don't forget to like my videos, and if possible, please share with your friends and family. We will meet again. Bye bye. Bis später.